Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. In this video, we'll show you how to register on our online shop and how to log in and navigate the user dashboard. Here is a list of videos you should watch before this tutorial. You'll find the links in the description below. Simply scroll down and click on the words Show More and you'll see the full video descriptions containing all the links you require. This section of the video is for new users. If you were already registered on the old online shop, please skip ahead to how to reset your password to continue with registration on our new website. Firstly, visit our website at shop.tracks4africa.co.za. Next, click on the login on the navigation bar. Please enter a username, email address and password you'd like to use on the Tracks4Africa website, and that's it. After you hit the register button, you should be logged in. This section is for users who've already registered on the old online shop and would like to register on the new one. On our online shop, click the Login button. Under the Login section, click on Lost Your Password. Please supply your email address used on the old online shop. We will then send you a password reset link which you can use to generate a password for our new shop. Head over to your email inbox. In the password reset email, you'll find a link which says, "Click here to reset your password." Click on the link and you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Please enter a new password to use on our online shop. You'll use this in combination with your email address when logging into the website. In this next section, we'll deal with logging in and navigating the user dashboard on the shop.tracks4africa.co.za website. Firstly, visit our website at shop.tracks4africa.co.za. Next, click on Login on the navigation bar. Please enter the username or email address and password you chose during the sign-up process. Click on Lost Your Password should you have forgotten your password and would like to reset it. After logging in, you will be on the dashboard page. On the left of the page, you'll see a few options which we'll cover in more detail now. Please note that these options are also available on the My Account menu on the navigation bar. The first item on the list is the Orders page. Visit this page to view all the orders you have made on the Tracks4Africa online shop. Next to each order, you'll see two action buttons, View and View Invoice. If you click the View button, you'll be taken to the order page where you can download your products, check your order details and see related subscriptions. You can also download your invoice from this page. If you'd like to quickly view or print your invoice, you can click on the other View button and you'll see a Print button on the top left corner of the page. On the subscription page, you'll find all subscriptions on your Tracks4Africa account. Subscriptions include all Tracks4Africa downloadable maps. All subscription products, downloads and related orders will be displayed on this page. Next, let's have a look at the download page. This page will show all download links related to your Tracks4Africa account. Should you, for some reason, not see all your downloads listed on this page, please follow the original download link sent via email when you placed your order. The next page in the menu on the left is Wishlist. Here, you'll see all wishlisted items in case you've clicked on Add to Wishlist on one of our products on our shop. On the Addresses page, you can set or change your billing address and shipping address you used on the online shop. If you've already set your address, you can always update or change it using the blue buttons on the right-hand side of the billing and shipping addresses. Lastly, on the Accounts Detailed page, you can change your names, surnames, email address or password should you wish to. When you are finished with your browsing session, you can hit the Logout button which will log you out of the Tracks4Africa online shop. The next videos you should watch are Upgrade Policy, SD card registration, and Frequently Asked Questions. You'll find the links in the description below.